Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I can learn about FSTN LCD Screen.
Hello, Greg.
FSTN is the abbreviation for Film Super Twisted Pneumatic. The main difference between TN, HTN, STN, and FSTN LCD is the view angle. FSTN is the advanced version of STN with one compensation film. The view angle is better. It has the true 360-degree full view angle. When it is a positive and reflective display, it can display without LED backlight. When it is a positive and transmissive or transflective display, it can't display without LED backlight. The background color could be gray-white or gray-green, and the letters could be black, purple, or blue. When it is a negative and transmissive or transflective display, it can't display without LED backlight. The background color could be dark purple, blue, or black, not pure, and the color of the letters is the color of the LED backlight. By the way, no matter if it is a positive or negative display, the background color is affected by the color of the LED backlight on some level. That is why the color of LED backlight is usually white. Theoretically, we can add one more compensation film to FSTN LCD. It becomes DFSTN, double film STN, and the view angle is better. Actually, it is barely used because it is too expensive. The maximum COM is 128, so it is very suitable for the large dot matrix, complicated and high-end devices.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.